Integrating Technology in the Classroom by Wendy Rodriguez. We live in an era where time has changed significantly, and we have gotten a lot of advancements and improvements through the years. We have seen how we have moved from using only paper and quill to chalkboards and pencils to whiteboards and pens to Prometheans and iPads. As a teacher, I plan to make my classroom a technological one, where most of our activities have some sort of technological use. For math, we could use clickers to mark the numbers that we're trying to learn, or also have multiple choice questions and we will have them use the clickers to choose the right ones. Here we have the example of the clickers that I was thinking of when teaching the children how to count. I would also make use of the Promethean tables to keep them entertained while they also work on games that would teach them something new. For example, analyzing and working in groups. Using online games like Kahoot will also increase the interest of participating in the class and learning new things and induce the art of analyzing. In Kahoot, we make a question and we put four possible answers for the question. They will have to analyze and comprehend the concept of what they have learned in order to be able to answer the question. They will use their computers or iPads to access the Kahoot chat room where they would make their choosing. Implementing classwork online can also be very easy and educational. For example, for parents who don't like to send their children to school because of the different insecurities that they have, and they have their children homeschooled, this is a very comfortable decision. They will be able to teach them at home and have them use however much technology they would need. This is also a great opportunity for parents to share with their children. They will be able to help as much as possible, and they will be able to have blended courses. For example, they will need to do the class on paper and also the other half of the class online. This is also a great time for parents to share with their children, even when they don't know what they're doing. There are different trends and very useful things right in the technology world, as it is different apps to teach your children. For example, Math Bingo, the PBS Parents, where they control everything that the children can watch, and educational videos and different shows that teach the children how to either count, the ABC, the colors, and different things like that. Like I mentioned, it will be a great time for parents to share with their children to be able to help them with their homework and become involved in their lives a little more. Even, like I mentioned, when they don't know what they're doing. Another thing that's affecting the technology world, it would be plagiarism. Plagiarism is claiming one's work as their own. So having the children around technology so much could be a problem. But as teachers, we have to teach them how to stand by the ISTE standards of students. We have to teach them communication and collaboration. We have to teach them creativity and innovation. We'll have to let them create their own thing so that they can exercise their minds and not just take somebody else's idea. They will have to learn how the technology works, the digital citizenship if they're talking to other people online, how to be courteous, how to be children who respect others even if they don't have them face to face. We exercise critical thinking, research information, and communication and collaboration. This is very, very important to teach to our children nowadays because it's been lacking a lot. Here are the references. You are more than welcome to check it out, and yeah, have a great day. I hope you learned as much as I did.